Okay, this you remember either that equation or this equation, both are same. Okay. Now we are going further. Today we will derive an expression for loss of energy due to hydraulic jump. First we will understand what is loss of energy. Loss of energy. Okay, the same figure. The figure might be like this. This I will consider E1 energy, and this I will consider E2. Okay. And head difference. Head difference I will consider E1 minus E2. What is this E? E means it is specific energy. Specific energy which we already know in the previous module. That specific energy we are considering. What is the formula for E? I will write here. E is equal to V square by 2G plus H. This is the E formula. This is the formula for E. Then according to your sections you need to apply that one. For the first section it becomes E1 is equal to V1 square divided by 2G plus H1, and for this it becomes V2 is equal to V2 square divided by 2G plus H2. Any doubts here? No doubt. Then we will substitute here in this one. Then what you will get? Right, now you don't have any doubts. Now what we will do, we will send minus inside and this become minus, this become minus. Then V terms we will keep it one side and D terms we will keep it another side. Then what happens? V1, correct? H2 minus H1. Okay, here this is a minus minus plus and minus H2, right? Then you already know that Q is equal to what? A into V, area into velocity. Then Q is equal to, for rectangle it is a B into H into V. Then B we are considering 1, therefore Q divided by H is equal to V. That is Q is equal to, small q is equal to capital Q divided by B. This is the discharge per unit width. Therefore B is equal to 1, therefore Q is equal to capital Q. Then I can write here V is equal to Q by H. V is equal to Q by H. Then here in this case I can write, am I right? Check it once, right now? No doubt, sir? Then we will take Q square outside divided by 2G outside. Then inside 1 by H1 square, 1 by H2 square. We will take LCM, H2 square minus H1 square divided by H2 square into H1 square. Okay, minus H2 minus H1. Any doubts? Now we know that this we already know. In previous derivation you can check it. Right? Then if you know Q square there, then I can substitute here in this place Q square. That I can write this one. Then I will get, look at here. If you have anything you can ask. No doubt. Then we will cancel here something. Like your G cancel, then H1, H2 once cancel, this H1, H2, H1, H2 cancel. Then at the top it is left H2 plus H1, H2 plus H1, H2 plus H1 is left at the top, and this we will skip it. A square minus B square means what? H2 plus H1 into H2 minus H1 divided by 2 into 2, 4 H2 H1, H2 H1 minus H2 minus H1. What we can take common? H2 minus H1 we can take common. That is common. Then what is left inside? These two terms are left. This one and this one. I can write whole square. H2 plus H1 whole square minus 1 divided by 4 H2 H1. H2 plus H1 whole square divided by 4 H1 H2. Then H2 minus H1 as it is. Inside we will take LCM over. Then look at it. H2 minus H1 I will keep it as it is. Inside this is your H2 square minus H1 square plus H1 square minus 2 H1 H2 divided by 4 H1 H2. Digest it. H2 square plus H1 square minus 2 H1 H2, we can write it as a H2 minus H1 whole square. This is A square plus B square minus 2AB, minus 2AB. Therefore, then the last HL is equal to H2 minus H1 whole cube divided by 4 H1 H2. Any doubts? This is loss of energy due to hydraulic jump. Okay, if you know H1 and H2, you can calculate it. Over. Expression of hydraulic jump, that is your expression of hydraulic jump in terms of Froude number. That we will write again. We know that. Now what is Froude number? The Froude number you can write here. Froude number Fr is equal to V square by Fr square is equal to V square by G D. D here it becomes H for rectangular channel. Okay, V square by H, and we are talking about Fr1. If you want, then Fr1, then this H will be H1 and this V will be V1. That we will substitute here. What is that? V square by G H1. H1 is not there here. Therefore, I will make something alteration here. What is that? H1 multiply here and H1 divided multiply by. Nothing changed. Nothing changed. Now you look at here. V square divided by this one, you look at here, V1 square by GH1, and this is V1 square by GH1, right? Then there I can write Fr square, this way H1 square, here one H1 and here one H1 square. Now I will take LCM inside, minus H1 by 2 plus square root of H1 square plus 8 Fr square H1 square divided by 4. Now minus H1 by 2 plus H1 outside, 2 outside, then inside the bracket we got 1 plus 8 Fr square, only this much, 1 plus 8 Fr square, Fr1 square, right? Now if you want further simplification, then H2 is equal to H1 by 2 into minus 1 plus square root of 1 plus 8 Fr1 square. Today we will have this much only. Okay, we derived what? In hydraulic jump equations, we derived one H2 formula, and jump is equal to H2 formula big one, and jump is equal to H2 minus H1, and then HL is equal to, we derived one formula today, and H2 you can express in terms of Fr. These equations we derived, and along with that we should know energy equal to V square by 2G plus H, and we should know that Fr is equal to V by root GD, or you should know Fr is equal to V divided by root GH. This much you should know, and you should also know Fr is equal to 1 is a critical condition. Okay, this is your summary chart. This one you need to remember. Tomorrow we will solve a few problems, and after that we will go to gradually varied flow. Right? If you have anything you can ask, or otherwise we will end this meeting.